Hey guys, welcome to TechBoard, and this is RealMe 1. If you are confused that which brand is this, I should tell you that RealMe is a sub-brand by Oppo and the smartphone is assembled in India. I ordered this unit from Amazon India for rupees 8990. This is a 3GB RAM with 32GB internal memory variant. So in the box, the first thing is the transparent case and some manuals. After that, there is this RealMe 1 smartphone. For just now, let's keep it aside. After that, in the box there is this wall adapter. It is big but still powered at 5V 2A, so it is not a fast charger, and this phone also does not support the fast charging. Now there is this cable that looks very strong. Now moving on to the RealMe 1 smartphone. Wow, it is really very much fun to remove these protective laminations, and it feels just awesome. Oh my god. It looks awesome and feels very nice in hands. That diamond look on the back with fiberglass makes it super awesome. Yes, there is plastic used in some areas around the display, but it's okay because you are getting that awesome looking phone. It is sleek, feels good in hands, and that display is just awesome. In the box there is also this SIM ejector tool, and a good thing about this smartphone is that it comes with this dual 4G standby and has dedicated SIM slot. Now talking about some specifications, then this smartphone comes with a 6-inch Full HD Plus display with aspect ratio of 18:9. This smartphone is powered with MediaTek Helio P60 and it is said to be a world's first 12nm processor. This smartphone comes with two memory variants, 3GB RAM with 32GB internal memory variant that is priced at rupees 8990 rupees, and another with 6GB RAM with 128GB internal memory variant that is priced at rupees 13990. For this kind of specifications, the price is really well sorted out by Oppo, or you can say RealMe. This phone is backed up with 3400 mAh battery. There is no fingerprint sensor, but there is this face unlock that is really very quick, and you can say it is super quick. In fact, sometimes I think that face unlock is not perfectly secured in this smartphone. Now in the camera department, it has 13 megapixel camera on the rear and 8 megapixel front facing camera, and I am really impressed with the cameras on this smartphone, and the both front and the rear camera comes with this depth effect, and there is no 4K video recording. So here are some sample shots by RealMe 1. So there is also HDR on both front and the rear cameras. So this was all about the unboxing and my first impressions of RealMe 1. If you have any question regarding anything about this smartphone, you can comment below, and if possible I will make a dedicated Q&A video for this smartphone. Full review and camera review of this RealMe 1 will be coming soon, so feel free to subscribe. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one.